Hello, everybody. Welcome to Build Time episode number 17. Today, we're going to be talking about migrating to our newest version of Cosmic. My name is Stefan. I am education lead here at Cosmic. I'm here with Tony, of course, CEO of Cosmic. And without further ado, he's going to be running us through, some of the features that we've implemented to make it very easy for users to migrate from our old dashboard to our new dashboard. So, Tony, how are you doing?
Good. Hey, Stefan, how are you?
I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine.
All right. You ready to get everyone migrated to the new dashboard?
Absolutely, which I think they're going to be pleased to see all the new features and how awesome it looks. So
Yeah.
excited to see you and show us.
Yeah, let's check it out. So basically, we've got a quick one for you today on this episode. I'm going to show you how you migrate from the V1 dashboard into the V2 dashboard. And it should be pretty straightforward. And yeah, let's go over the steps. So basically, let me share my screen. Uh, Let me know that you've got it pulled up. Can you see it okay, Stefan?
Oh yeah, there it is. We're good.
Okay, so here is the old dashboard. So for all of our customers still on the V1 dashboard, you'll see that there's a new home for it at app-v1.cosmicjs.com. And to get your projects migrated over, first step is to log into the old dashboard and go to the settings import export area. So here we've got this import export area, and I've already run a compatibility check. You'll see this section here, dashboard V2 compatibility. So clicking this button will run the report. And I think that the majority of the issues that you may encounter would be modeling issues. If you do have objects that have a different model than the object type, that's sort of a common issue that can be fixed by updating your content model. So you can continue to run your check as you kind of update your modeling. You'll be able to run those checks just to make sure that you'll have a smooth import process. So in this bucket, you'll see that I've got posts, work. This is one of our templates that you can install. So I've gone ahead and just installed this demo template just for demonstration purposes. And so to export your bucket data to get it ready to import, you go ahead and just select all of your object types you want to export, click the export button, and then download the file to your machine. And so once that's downloaded, then you can go over to the new dashboard, which is located at app.cosmicjs.com. Okay, so we create a new project and start with an empty project so you can import your bucket data into it. So we'll call this upgrade time, and we'll call this test. All right, so we can skip all of these steps and go straight into settings and then go into import export. And we'll take that file that we downloaded and we'll go ahead and import it into our new project and click confirm to import. And then the import process shouldn't take too long depending on how many objects and media that you have. It could take anywhere between a few seconds or possibly maybe 10 minutes or so. And it's running in the background, so you can go ahead and navigate around as it's kind of doing its importing. Yeah, as we can see here, it's imported everything correctly. And we can kind of check around just to make sure that all of the content has been properly imported. I would go through and check out all of your modeling and make sure that that's set up properly. And then go into each individual object and just double check that all of your fields migrated over properly. And as long as you ran that compatibility check and everything checked out fine on the V1 dashboard, you shouldn't have any issues. But go ahead and reach out to us, support at cosmicjs.com, if you do notice any issues, and we'll be happy to try to get to the bottom of any problems with that import. So that's basically how you import your bucket into the new dashboard. Now, if you do have a lot of team members and you want to get them over quickly without having to add each individual team member, I recommend that you go into your team page and you can go ahead and use this export to CSV. So you notice I'm in the V1 dashboard. If you go to settings and team, you'll see your list of team members, and you can go ahead and click export to CSV, and that'll give you an export file that you can go ahead and use to import into the new dashboard. So you notice it imports everything. The only thing you'll have to do is just sort of update the role if you had a different role set for each of these different team members. And that's pretty much it. And once you invite them, they'll have access to your new project. And then you can sort of set those granular roles as well if you want to sort of limit any sort of bucket settings as well. And that's pretty much it. So we covered exporting from the V1 dashboard, your bucket content, exporting your team members, and then importing them. So the thing to keep in mind is that your bucket, the bucket import is pretty much the same as it was in the old dashboard. However, the team is now managed at the project level. So now you can sort of add your team members to a project, and then you can also set granular permissions for each bucket. So that's something to keep in mind, is that once you do invite your team members, you'll be able to set their permissions per bucket, but it does exist here at the project level. So that's pretty much it. Stefan, do you have anything else to add to this? I think that quickly covers how to migrate over and use the new dashboard and enjoy the new experience.
I just gotta say that was so simple and smooth. It felt like a speed run. It felt like you're going for a world record time of exporting and importing. That was great. I just wanted to add, and for all of you listening, the file that you export is a JSON file. So if you ever were in a position where you did need to make certain changes to some of your data, if you have a savvy developer that can go through and kind of script through and making those changes, it is JSON, and then the team's information is a CSV. So I mean, it's really as simple as that, and I think that this is great because we're trying to make it as frictionless for some of our users that are still on the V1 dashboard to just get on over to the V2 dashboard. It's truly a great experience that we're super proud of, and yeah, I mean, it's a great smooth process. And of course, as Tony mentioned, you can visit us support page at Cosmic, or you can join our Slack channel. We'll have links for all of that. And don't hesitate to DM Tony or myself or any of our members, and we'd be happy to help if you do run into any issues.
Great.
So yeah.
Yeah, so I recommend everyone check out the Build Time 16 episode if you want to kind of dive deeper into what we've done to make this new dashboard amazing. We've got the entire Cosmic team on that episode that we just did prior, Build Time number 16, introducing Cosmic 2.0. And we've got links to the blog article there as well, announcing the new release, as well as, we've got a brand new website and a lot of great features that we covered in that episode. For this one, I think it's great to make it, succinct and to the point. We want to get you migrated over. If you're an existing customer and you love Cosmic 1.0, you're going to absolutely lose your socks over Cosmic 2.0. And we're happy to help guide you along the way. So in this episode, in our show notes, we'll make sure to provide some guidance. We do have an upgrade guide, which I'll make sure to link in the show notes, located in our documentation, which should cover for you this process in a written format to show you exactly what you should be doing and what you can expect with our changes in the new dashboard. But for this one, I think this pretty much covers it. And I'm excited to see people migrate over. We'll make sure to let you know. I think one of the points I wanted to make in this episode is that we will sunset the V1 dashboard at some point. We haven't set the date yet, but we're going to announce that soon. So I think all of the teams that are currently using the V1 dashboard, it would be a good idea to begin your migration plans now. And then we'll let you know soon once we're planning and have a schedule set for deprecating the V1 dashboard as well as the legacy APIs that are connected to it. So come migrate, upgrade, and we're excited to get you guys set up.
Absolutely. I mean, I think that covers it. Short, sweet, and to the point. And yeah, we'll have links in the description. Tony, you wanna send us off here?
Yeah, go to cosmicjs.com. Check out the show links in the show notes, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Stefan.
Yeah, thanks, Tony. Thanks for sharing that with us. And yeah, see you guys on the next one.